Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Kraken rod. To begin your journey, you'll need to prepare for a challenging encounter with a formidable sea creature. We'll cover where to find the key components, how to craft this legendary item, and what benefits it brings to your fishing adventures. Get ready to enhance your gameplay and catch some truly rare aquatic treasures with your new rod. The first crucial step is to obtain Kraken tentacles. You'll need to locate and defeat the mighty Kraken, which typically resides in the deepest parts of the ocean. Make sure you are well equipped with powerful weapons and sturdy armor, as this boss fight can be quite intense. After a successful battle, collect at least 8 Kraken tentacles from its drops. Once you have gathered your 8 Kraken tentacles, the next step is crafting the rod itself. Head to a crafting table and combine the tentacles with a standard, sturdy fishing rod. This simple recipe will transform your ordinary rod into the legendary Kraken rod. Ensure your base fishing rod is in good condition before combining, as its durability will carry over. With your new Kraken rod in hand, you're ready to experience superior fishing. This powerful tool significantly enhances your chances of reeling in rare and valuable fish, making your efforts much more rewarding. You'll also notice faster catch rates across different water bodies. Go forth and explore new fishing grounds with the confidence that your Kraken rod will help you find incredible aquatic treasures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.